In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact list in Constant Contact, an essential skill for anyone involved in email marketing. We all know that a well-organized list can be the backbone of any successful campaign, helping you manage and communicate with your contacts more effectively. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you have a solid understanding of each part. First things first, you'll need to log into your Constant Contact account. If you're already signed up, simply enter your credentials and you should have access to all the tools you need. Once you've logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu on your dashboard. You'll see a variety of options, but for our purposes, you're going to want to click on Contacts. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be managing your lists and individual contacts. After clicking on Contacts, the next step is to direct your attention to the Lists section. This part of the process is crucial because it's where you will create a new list for organizing your contacts. Once you've found and clicked on the Lists tab, you're going to look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Create List button. You'll want to click on that to start creating your new list. Now comes the part where you can exercise a bit of creativity and strategy. When prompted, give your list a meaningful name. Consider what kind of contacts will be included and what the purpose of the list will be. For example, you might want to name it Newsletter Subscribers if you're planning regular email newsletters, perhaps event attendees if you're compiling a list of people for an upcoming event. For clients who are particularly special, you could name the list VIP clients. Choose a name that will be clear and informative, making it easy to identify later. Once you've decided on the perfect name for your list, go ahead and click Save. It's as simple as that. Your list is now created and you can start adding contacts to it whenever you're ready. This setup is going to help streamline your email marketing efforts, ensuring that you can easily select specific groups of people for targeted campaigns. And there you have it. Creating a contact list in Constant Contact is straightforward once you know where to start. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure that your contacts are organized and you're able to reach them with precision and clarity. Be sure to revisit your lists periodically to keep them updated and useful, and you'll be well on your way to mastering email marketing. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.